Alright, so I haven't done a video in a while. I came up here with the dogs this weekend to do some hunting. My wife has to work this weekend, so I'm going to be up here. Today's Friday, and then probably leave Monday, and then we'll be back up Thursday night of the following week. So it's getting to be a rut. I haven't hunted in 2 weeks. I've had 2 weddings to go to, and one of them being my daughter's last weekend. So they actually honeymooned here last Sunday and Monday night. So I just got here, and I had to clean up a little bit, put everything back the way it was, and then we're going to do some hunting tonight. But I'm also getting a load of the metal roofing for the tractor shed barn. Menards is going to drop that off today. Hopefully they find the place. So I'm waiting for them. I got up here this morning. I couldn't hunt this morning anyway because I wasn't sure when Menards would get here. So we're waiting on that. I had to get a fire going. We got a new stove. That's a Vermont casting stove. It's a catalytic and non-catalytic stove, so it can burn both ways. So I'm curious to see how that's going to work. I've never had a catalytic stove, so hopefully that'll work out, because before we had to wake up every 2 hours in the wintertime, set an alarm to keep the fire going. We had one of those stoves that we just got at Menards, a steel stove. It wasn't very high end or anything, so we brought that to the pond cabin, and I'll hook that up and use it there. But we'll see how this one works. It has a little warming shelf that we got, and then these mitten dryers that are kind of cool. Those just hang off. You can dry some stuff on there. That'll come in handy. They just drop down in these holes and fall in. But yeah, I got everything back together, cleaned up. We get a bunch of flies this time of year for some reason that come in and die, so I had to clean all those up. But those are those centerpieces that I cut a couple weeks ago for my daughter's wedding, and then she put them all together. They turned out really, really good. And then you turn on a little light. Those are pretty cool. Hey, I see you ate breakfast. He's wondering where Mom is. You're a mama's boy, aren't you? Where's Mom? Yeah. Capone's waiting for the red squirrel to come back. Are you on the lookout? So, when your wife's not with you, this is what the food situation looks like. Breakfast sandwiches, frozen. Already made wraps. A bunch of fried chicken. And some potato salad. That's what we're eating for the next 3 days. And beer. Well, we got all the metal roofing dropped off. She had one of those piggyback things off of the semi truck, and somehow, some way, she was able to take this, which is 20 foot long. They didn't. It's 10 foot pieces of metal. I don't have anything over 10 feet, but for whatever reason they packaged it so it's 20 feet long. 20 feet long. So somehow she made it a quarter mile down our driveway with piggyback, and she was turning it around and flipping it. It was like a dance. It was unbelievable. But she got it all here with all the lumber. So we got all the metal roofing, which I will get to after Thanksgiving, after deer season. I'll start doing the